Today, you will learn every possible way to select all or part of a table in Microsoft Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. These small techniques used in this video tutorial will save a lot of your precious time while working in Word. To select a single cell using mouse, move your mouse to the right edge of the cell. When the cursor turns into a small black arrow pointing upright, click once. That cell is now selected. To select a single cell using keyboard, place the cursor inside the cell. Hold Shift, then press the right arrow key until the entire cell is selected. To select a row using mouse, move the cursor to the left side of the row. When it turns into a white arrow pointing upright, click. To select multiple rows, click and drag downward. Do not click the small plus or plus icon. That icon inserts a new row. To select multiple non-connected rows using mouse, select one row, hold Ctrl, then click other rows you want to select. To select a row using keyboard, select the first cell using the keyboard method. Hold Shift and keep pressing the right arrow key until the entire row is selected. To select more rows, keep holding Shift and press the down arrow key. Non-connected rows cannot be selected using the keyboard. To select a column using mouse, move the mouse above the column. When you see a black down arrow, click to select the column. To select multiple columns, click and drag across. To select non-connected columns, hold Ctrl and click Other Columns. To select a column using keyboard, select the first cell. Hold Shift and press the down arrow key until the whole column is selected. To select more columns, keep holding Shift and press left or right arrow keys. Non-connected columns cannot be selected using the keyboard. To select the entire table, the fastest way is move your mouse to the top left corner of the table. You will see a small table selection icon, crosshair box. Click it once, the entire table is selected. To select using the ribbon menu, click inside any cell. Go to Table Layout tab, then click Select. Choose whether you want to select cell, row, column, entire table. This selects based on where your cursor is placed. A secret trick to select the whole table: hold the Alt key and double-click anywhere inside the table. The entire table gets selected instantly. Selecting parts of a table becomes very easy once you know these mouse tricks, keyboard shortcuts, and ribbon options. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more super simple Microsoft Word tutorials made especially for beginners.